All right, we are talking about the top online business models. I'm Dan Pine, and we're going to be going over some of the pros and cons of some of those most popular online e-commerce models. And we're also going to be talking about the one deadly trap that you really must avoid at all costs if you want to see success in online business. So let's talk about some of these online business models. You could go into physical products, drop shipping, coaching, online courses, affiliate marketing. Now, all of these things are great ideas. And here we have a treatment of this from Ramit Sethi at I Will Teach You to Be Rich. He has a great blog article here, and he goes through and actually lists at the top here 19 of the most popular online business ideas. And he goes on to explain why actually most of them are a terrible idea. And I tend to agree with him. Then he does something great for us in that he breaks down into a visual matrix the cost versus the profit of different business models. And he looks at 6 of these different business models and he plots them here. Software being in the high cost and high profit, physical products being both high cost because of the inventory and lower on the profit because of the margins of the physical product itself. The advertising and affiliate marketing, while lower in cost, are also lower profit. And he puts in his most desirable quadrant here the coaching and online courses, with online courses being his clear favorite. And I would agree that this is a great business model to get into, but I don't think he takes into account all of the different factors that you might want to look at when examining which of these business models might be right for you. Steve and Aiden Booth also take a look at this. They have what they call an opportunity matrix with several different business models broken down here by their long-term and shorter-term income potential, the startup effort, the time required, startup cost, ongoing maintenance, and scalability. And I decided to take some of this and throw it into a visual for us. We're looking at the startup effort and cost and the short-term potential here. And you can see that here on the right is high startup effort and up at the top is high startup cost. And you can see SaaS software has a high startup cost and is also costly in terms of effort. Info products, while low in cost to get started, do have a higher effort to get off the ground. And Kindle publishing down here is kind of the opposite end of the scale. The size of the bubble represents that 6 to 12 month income potential. And you can see where each of those fall in that. Some great ones here. Now, the ongoing maintenance, scale, and long-term potential was another thing that I wanted to look at. So the near-term picture and now the later-term picture. You can see the coaching and consulting stands out because it has low scale potential down toward the bottom and high ongoing maintenance toward the right. SaaS software and info products, highly scalable, great upside potential as long as you can get past those first initial hurdles of getting them off the ground. You can see the super affiliate strategy has lower ongoing maintenance, high scale potential, and also a great upside for the future. And we're going to be talking about that. Now, the one thing that you really must watch out for is this deadly trap of not just shiny object syndrome where you're hopping from thing to thing, but failing to choose a business model that's a good fit for you from the beginning. So right out of the gate, you want to consider both your short-term and your long-term goals, and also who you are as a person and what type of effort and capital you have to put in this right now. Because if you don't choose an online business model that's a good fit for you and your circumstances right now, you're going to face roadblocks that are so difficult. There's the potential you'll give up before you're able to reap the rewards, and I don't want that to happen to you. More coming up in the next video. If you thought that was good, please go ahead, leave a comment. You're going to want to subscribe because I've got more videos coming up in this series in how to build a successful online business. I've already done it once, built nearly $1 million online business with a partner, and now I'm about to in this experiment, you go along for the ride with me while I build a 6-figure income online in just 90 days. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it behind the scenes. You're going to get a peek. You can follow along, duplicate my steps so that you can build your own 6-figure business in 90 days, and then we'll scale it up beyond in the days to come after that. All right. Thanks so much for coming along. Subscribe. Watch the next video now.